Now, this here's a story all about how our industry flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there, tell you how eXp made the whole thing fair. Our biz been the same for years and years. There's no end in sight. It was a major fear. Agents don't retire, they just keep on selling. The broker and the agent, they just ain't gelling. When a guy named Glenn said, I'll do something good, then he built this company, we knew he understood. He saw where this was going and how we were scared. He said, you're gonna own a company and earn rev share. The company started growing day by day. When Nasdaq came calling, we knew it was okay. He gave us 80-20, we knew that was strong. We put on a Walkman, it's on like Donkey Kong. I popped in the world just to explore. The place was hopping, there was training galore. If anything, I can say this place is rare, but I thought, not forget it, nothing else compares. The haters, I just yelled to them, yo, you'll join later. I looked at my brokerage, I was finally there. eXp Realty made the whole game fair. Word to Glenn.